right, what's going on, everybody? So, we're going to be going over baby dose today. We got to talk about a lot of different stuff when it comes to the technical analysis. The prices went down just a little bit, but we still have hope for what's coming inside of the future here for baby dose. So, anyway, stick around to the end. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But let's go straight over this. So, right now we are at 8Z3226. So we're actually going up right now as I'm making this video live. Well, it's not going to be a live stream, but as this video is coming out, this is definitely going to be very good. Like I think within the next few days, Baby Doge is probably going to be close to 8Z4. So it's going to be happening, right? You can even see the prices jumping right now as we talk. And I always talk about the momentum wave bands with the chart prime indicators because I actually use these, and you can actually see how it's starting to squeeze down here towards the bottom. Like I mentioned before, whenever we see that squeeze down here around the bottom of the momentum wave bands is usually a sign that we're about to have some bullish movements. So that is good as well. And then we can also see we were at the discounted price point for the chart prime indicators. And you can see we held that support for a very good amount of time. And it was a pretty strong support that we held right there. So we held that support, we stayed strong with it, ended up consolidating and just coming out on top with that support. So that's pretty good. So I do think that we're going to be going back towards this premium price point, which is around 8Z3400, 8Z3050, somewhere around there. So we should be going around there fairly soon. So yeah, we got that good news right there. This is just a 15-minute chart, by the way. If you look at the 4-hour chart, it's going to look a little bit different, but we're still towards the top of the momentum wave bands. So that's good. That's just showing that we're having good momentum. In these trend assist lines, it assists you pretty much with the direction of the trend. You can see how it's going up with this with these two trend lines here. So that momentum, the momentum wave bands, and then these trend assist lines, you can see we're going in the right direction. So as long as we don't drop below this trend assist line and go down to that Fibonacci at 8Z30, and then eventually down below to the equilibrium price point at 8Z2600, then we'll be good as long as we don't do that. But we're just gonna have to sit around, wait, see exactly what happens. But I still have a good feeling about what's about to happen here soon inside of Baby Doge. So we just really got to be patient with the prices because it could drop all the way down to 8Z2600 like tomorrow, and some people will sell out. But the real question is, what is it going to do after it drops? Will it continue to rise and keep pumping since we have a lot of good stuff coming out for Baby Doge? And they haven't made a post in forever. So the next post that they make is probably going to make the coin go parabolic. Something maybe like that. I think something like that might actually happen. They haven't posted in a long time since the 8th of October. They're used to posting multiple posts a day. Now they haven't posted till the 8th. And Crypto.com has made a tease about Baby Doge. On top of that, we've had the Baby Doge wallet. On top of that, Bitcoin is pumping. Bitcoin is at 69K right now, almost at 70K, almost back to all-time highs. So what I think is happening here, the Baby Doge army or the Baby Doge team, they actually probably know that Bitcoin is about to reach its all-time high again. And they know that this is going to cause a lot of altcoins to be pumping as well. So I think they're waiting until that peak to start dropping stuff, to just drop the Solana bridge, to just drop the Baby Doge wallet, to just drop Baby Doge and launch it on Crypto.com, the Puppy.Fun app. I think they're trying to do all this all at once while we're having a huge pump and we're almost at the peak of Bitcoin again. So I think this is a strategic play here by the Baby Doge team. It may or may not be, but if it is strategic, it's a good strategy. While the iron's hot, like you gotta strike while the iron's hot. You gotta do it. I think Baby Doge is actually nearing towards the top of that. Well, Bitcoin's nearing towards the top of that market trend. So Baby Doge is going to be doing the exact same thing. So this is very, very, very good. Even if we see that we can't get past that momentum wave band and that equilibrium price and we just have a big crash downwards, we're still going to be doing good. We're still going to be rising. I mean, we've held this support, so strong for the last few days. So I think that we should be good to move on to the next level up and eventually pass that next Fibonacci retracement around 8Z3600. So then we can eventually pass 8Z4200. Like I said, 8Z4200, and like I said in my other video, 8Z4200 is literally only a 600 something $1 million market cap. And all the way that you find that is just by taking the circulating supply which is 155 quadrillion, and then multiplying that by 8Z4. And when you get that, you have 620 million. And if you actually look at the baby doge market cap right now, we're actually only at 497 million. Like literally, it takes like 123 million dollars in market cap just for us to get up to 8Z4. So I think that's going to happen pretty soon. When we get launched on crypto.com, lots of volume is going to be going through. Coinbase, all the same stuff. Lots of volume is going to be pumping. This is going to be what brings us to that next step, that next level. So you just got to be patient. That's all. Just got to be patient. The whole market's pumping. Things are kind of resting inside of some of the altcoins. Dogecoin's kind of taking a rest because, pumped 32% in the last week. So, yeah, a lot of different stuff is going to be taken off very soon. Baby Doge is probably going to be one of them. So, yeah, just be patient. It's going to happen eventually. And we can already see, like, it's pumping right now. It's doing some nice little movements. We just got to be patient. All right. Anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely check out the link in the description for Chart Prime. Best trading view indicators out there. Definitely check it out. I use them all the time. Anyways, hit the like button and subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, I'll be back with another video.